everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Flow channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Yes, take that. Oh, hello. And hello to all our friends. I am Henry. Sorry, I was busy.
Busy or playing a game?
I was playing Super Henry World. I almost won.
Well, that is perfect, Henry, because today we are talking about exactly that.
We are talking about video games? Best lesson ever!
Not just video games. We are talking about how to talk about your hobbies and interests.
Hobbies. Things we do for fun.
Yes, it is one of the most common questions when you meet new people.
True. After what is your name, people always ask, what is your hobby?
Actually, Henry, what is your hobby sounds a little bit like a textbook. Native speakers usually ask differently.
Really? What do they say?
They say, what do you do in your free time? Or, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? I like that. It sounds friendly.
So, Henry, let me ask you, what do you do for fun?
Well, I play games. And I sleep.
Okay, but we need to say it in full sentences. Usually, we use the verb like or love.
So, I like play games?
Close, but here's the grammar rule. After like, we usually add ing to the verb.
So, I like play ing games?
Exactly. I like playing video games.
I like playing video games. And I like sleeping.
Correct, but like is very simple. Let's learn some better words to sound more fluent.
Better words. I am ready.
Instead of like, you can say I enjoy.
I enjoy playing games. It sounds a bit fancy.
It is nice. And if you really, really like something, you say I love.
I love sleeping.
Henry, you need a more active hobby. What about cooking? Do you like cooking?
I like eating. Does that count?
I like eating is good grammar, but it's not really a hobby. A hobby is an activity, like reading, traveling, or photography.
Actually, I do have another hobby. I bought a guitar.
Oh, so you can say, I am interested in music.
I am interested in music.
Or, here is a very native phrase. You can say, I am into.
Into. Like, inside? I am into the guitar? That sounds painful.
No, silly. To be into something means you like it a lot. It is very popular in spoken English.
I see. So, I am into rock music.
Perfect. Or, I am into photography.
I am into action movies. This is a cool phrase.
It is. Now, Henry, what if you don't do much? What if you just relax?
That is me. I am the king of relaxing.
You can say, I like hanging out with friends.
I like hanging out with friends. Hanging out means spending time, right?
Yes, just sitting, talking, having coffee. No pressure.
I am definitely into hanging out.
So, let's practice a full answer. If I ask, Henry, what do you do in your free time?
I'll say, well, I love playing video games, and I am really into rock music. I also enjoy hanging out with my friends.
Wow, that was excellent, Henry. Very natural.
I felt like a native speaker.
You sounded like one. And remember, after you answer, you should ask the other person.
How about you?
Exactly. So, Henry, ask me.
Emily, what do you do for fun?
Well, I enjoy reading books, and lately I am really into gardening.
Gardening? With the flowers and the dirt?
Yes, it is very relaxing.
Maybe I should try gardening. I am into dirt.
Maybe start with a small plant, Henry.
Okay, I will get a cactus.
Good idea. So, let's review the key phrases.
What do you do for fun? I like, I love, I enjoy, I am into, I like hanging out with friends.
Perfect summary.
This was fun. Can I go back to my game now? I need to save the princess.
Almost. We have to say goodbye to our friends first.
Oh, right. Friends, thank you for watching.
We want to know about you. Tell us in the comments, what are your hobbies?
Use the phrase, I am into. We want to see your sentences.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. English Flow channel.
See you next time. Now, game time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.